How to make Telegram request to join. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to request to join option in a Telegram group or channel, in this video I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application just like this. After opening it, simply open your group or channel where you want to add the request to join in Telegram, just like this. Then tap on to the name of the group just right here, tap on it. Then here you can find edit, right here select it. Then here you can find group type, now tap on it. Now simply select the group type to private. If it is in public, simply tap on to private. Then here you can find manage invite links, select it. Then here you can find create a new link, now select it. Then here you can find link name. Simply add the link name just like this, and after that tap on to request admin approval. Simply turn on this button right here just like this, then simply tap on to create. Now simply share this link, and when users click it, they will see a request to join button, and that's it. This is how you can make Telegram request to join. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.